We're now ready to register a backup assist installation with the MBC. We can do that from within Help and then Licensing. If it's a new installation that hasn't got any existing license keys, or in this case it's a trial that's previously expired, then we can go ahead and just click on register with the MBC straight away. If this is an existing installation that has a perpetual key already, then before we can register with the MBC we must deactivate the keys within the software first. So you'd see license keys here, and you'd see a deactivate perpetual button down here. In this case obviously we can just go straight ahead. So now we need to enter the credentials for the MBC for your account that you've created. And now we click on Authorize. This just verifies that account and allows us now to choose from the client and the site that we want to register this installation against. So in this case, I'm going to choose that this is for my first customer, and I'm going to leave it as site customer 1 as well. If you notice, you've got two options on the licensing. This is because this installation is on a Windows 11 desktop machine, and because of that I've got the option to select it as a Backup Assist desktop installation. For all server OSs you would only have the option for Backup Assist Classic. So I'll do desktop for this particular machine, click register. So as you can see, the MBC registration has been successful. It will now restart the Backup Assist interface. And if we check again under the licensing, we can see that this installation has been registered successfully. The way the registration works is it will check daily to see that it is still a registered subscription. If it can't connect for any reason, like an internet outage, then it will keep trying for 7 days. So this transient license expiry date at the bottom here is effectively, this should update every day to the next day, but if it hasn't been able to connect, this is effectively a countdown to tell you how long you've got before the actual installation is going to deactivate. When an installation deactivates, then jobs will stop working until it can reactivate. So you really just need to resolve the connection to get that to work again.